Hello everybody, welcome to day 8 of our lesson in grammar and in writing. Today, we are going to continue our lesson on verb and subject agreement. This time, we will focus on intervening expressions. Now, exactly, what are intervening expressions? Intervening expressions are those phrases or clauses that come between the subject and the verb. According to this rule, intervening expressions do not and cannot affect the number of the subject. Here is an example. Danny, including his followers, are having a good time. Do you think that is correct? I'll give you 5 seconds to analyze the sentence. I repeat, Danny, including his followers, are having a good time. If you think that the sentence is correct, you are wrong. The sentence should have been, Danny, including his followers, is having a good time. Now, why is? Notice that the intervening expression there is including his friends. The intervening expression does not affect the number of the subject. It is still singular. Okay? Now here is another example. One of the diamond rings are missing. That is again wrong. The correct sentence will be one of the diamond rings is missing. Of the diamond rings does not affect the subject, which is one, and that is still a singular subject. So remember this, intervening expressions will never affect the number of the subject. If the subject is singular, the verb is still singular. If the verb is plural and the subject is singular, then the verb does not agree with the subject anymore. Now, I have here some exercises. I would like you to perform this exercise to test whether you have learned something in this lesson. Okay, write the correct form of the verb on the blank. Okay, so good luck and thank you very much.